Hello, magandang umaga. This is Angelo of Ryogaku Marketing. So for this one, this is going to be a quick discussion or a run-through lang ng difference of the apprenticeship and the regular student visa program pertaining to Germany. But I'd like to highlight that for the sake of this discussion, when we talk about student visa or the study column here, we're talking about yung degree sa university and also the school Ausbildung. Kasi people are confused, sir, ang Ausbildung is for study. There are two types of Ausbildung, the school and the dual. So para clear tayo, again, study, student visa lang to, then apprenticeship, this is where the dual Ausbildung or dual apprenticeship falls in. Right, so quick lang po in terms of duration, pareho lang sila ng tagal. Pagdating sa gagastusin, mas mura po ang apprenticeship versus regular student visa. So anyway, you can just pause this and just make a comparison. But let me briefly create a summary of what really separates apprenticeship and study from the perspective of a Filipino applicant. So, kumbaga kung ikaw yung tipo ng aplikante na nagtitipid, hindi ka naman nagmamadali, tapos kung confident ka sa sarili mo, right? Pwede ka or I highly suggest mag-take ka ng apprenticeship. Ang catch lang naman po ng apprenticeship dahil technically mura siya or halos libre ang aral doon, kailangan mo mag-aral ng German language. You need to reach a certain level. And additionally, ang sistema nito hindi guaranteed na makakapasok ka agad sa any apprenticeship program kasi this works like you're applying for a job. So you're competing with other applicants na ikaw ang kunin, na sponsoran ng German government or nung Ausbildung company. Right? So that's the difference. And as you can see din naman dito sa screen, sa column nila, in terms of salary, there are limitations of course. Kasi again, you are working fast on this one and tinitrain ka on the German level of, let's say, corporate setup or how the work environment happens. So medyo limiting siya ng kaunti in the span na nandoon ka during the apprenticeship. But once you graduate, it doesn't mean it won't be better. Now, pagdating sa regular student visa, mas mahal talaga siya. Price would vary depending sa university from 6,000, 10,000 euros per year. However, given for a student visa, mas malawak ang opportunities mo once you graduate. There's bigger demands. You can definitely go for higher positions, corporate. Yun lang, again, ang catch, dapat may pondo ka rito sa student visa. Kung nagmamadali ka, mas mabilis ka makaalis for student visa as long as you have the funds because you're not competing here for attention or employment. You're technically just competing for slots, which is most of the time available naman yan. Right? So that's a quick run through of the difference for apprenticeship and study. If you want to ask more or dig deep about what you can see on your screen, do message us on TikTok and or on our social media pages. Just drop a message and we'll coordinate with you. Every consultation is free for you to build a better future via education, tourism, or study abroad here at our company. Thank you so much. Have a good day.